Hi everyone, welcome to Melody Space, where we dive deep into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Whether you are brand new to crypto or already an experienced trader, you are in the right place to stay ahead of the curve. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Imelda Chisom. I've been trading crypto for some years now. I started this channel because I saw a need for a clear, actionable, and unbiased crypto content where both beginners and seasoned investors can make informed decisions in this fast-moving space. Why is this important? Well, crypto space can be very confusing. There is a lot of hype out there. My goal is to cut through the noise and give you solid, well-researched information that will help you navigate through the space with confidence. Cryptocurrency isn't just about Bitcoin. It's about creating new financial systems and giving people control over their assets. And the more you know, the better you can take advantage of the opportunity ahead. Now, here is where you come in. I want this channel to be a community where we share insights, discuss market trends, and learn from each other. So if there is any topic you want to know more about, or a coin you think is worth covering, you can drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Let's unlock the world of finance together. Bye bye. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. See you in my next video.